Welcome back, aspiring programmers. In today's video, we are going to look at how to install TypeScript on your development machine. So, let's get started with the setup process. Before we begin, make sure you have node.js installed on your computer. You can check by running the following command node-v. If you don't have Node installed, head over to the node.js website and download the latest stable version for your operating system. Once installed, you'll have access to the Node Package Manager, or NPM, which we'll use to install TypeScript. Let's open up our favorite terminal or command prompt. In the terminal, type the following command: npm install-g TypeScript. This command will install TypeScript globally, making it available for any project on your computer. Once the installation is complete, we can verify if everything went smoothly. Simply type the following command: tsc version. If you see the version number of TypeScript printed on the screen, congratulations. Let's test it. If you have watched my TypeScript versus JavaScript video, you should already know that TypeScript compiles down to JavaScript. We don't actually run TypeScript code. We transform it into JavaScript code so that it can be executed by any browser or JavaScript runtime. If you didn't already know, node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment, so we can use it to test that TypeScript was properly installed. Let's watch it in action. Copy the code found in the description section below and save it to your computer as app.ts. Then from the command line in the same directory as you saved the app.ts file, type the following command to run the TypeScript file. tsc app.ts. tsc will transform the TypeScript code into JavaScript code. If you check your directory, you should now have an app.js file. You can then use node.js to run this file by typing the following command into the terminal window: node app.js. If all went well, you should see the following in your terminal window. The result is 8. In our next video, we'll explore creating our first app with TypeScript. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss it. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!